Rescheduling jobs in Fergus has never been easier. Whether you're at your desk or on the go, Fergus has you covered. Let's walk through how to reschedule jobs on both Fergus Go and Fergus Web. First, let's run through rescheduling on Fergus Go. Open the Fergus Go app and tap the calendar button at the bottom of your screen. Find the event you need to reschedule and tap on it. Select Edit Event to bring up the details. Next, update the date and time to the new schedule. Double check that the right team members are assigned, and when you're ready, tap Save in the top right corner. And that's it, the job will automatically update for everyone involved. Now, let's look at rescheduling on Fergus Web. On your desktop, head to the calendar at the top of your screen. Double-click the event you want to reschedule. This opens the event details on the right. Adjust the date, time, and any other details as needed. And when you're done, click Save in the bottom right corner, and you're good to go. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can easily reschedule any jobs in Fergus.